So guys, on our screen we have a simple wedding video without any audio. Suppose we want to take the audio from this clip to the wedding clip. Let's hear the music first. So this is our audio. Let's select the clip, then right click, separate audio. Now as you can see that our video clip and the audio clip is separate. Now if we want, we can delete the video clip which left us with the audio clip. Let's cut the audio clip. Now if we move our wedding video, the audio is not moving with it. But we want to attach the audio with this video. So how to do it? It's really simple. Select the video and audio clip, right click, group. Now the audio clip is linked with our video clip. Now if we want to edit the video or audio clip, just double click on the clip. So guys, that's how easily we can separate the audio from the video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.